This looks like a house from a horror film.
It does.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Wow.
Ew, it smells.
Oh, it's not bad.
It's
What
not
do you mean?
bad.
It's not bad.
Mom.
Well, it's dark, but you're gonna fix that.
What is this? Why is this clamp thing here, honey? What is that?
Looks like it was holding some type of a power cord.
Look at this heater. Why do I have goosebumps? Because this house is like
The
freaking me
heebie-jeebies.
out. There's
The
something.
heebie-jeebies. Uh-oh, what is this room?
This is a bonus for it. Is it permitted?
I mean, it looks like it's been there a million years, but that does not look permitted. When you're flipping houses, you want to maximize every ounce of profit you can. That doesn't mean you have to make the house the nicest house in the entire neighborhood. It's about taking what you have and adding to it. So
Wow. It's so nice. Yay. I see curtains. I see plant.
all right, I'm excited. Been waiting months to see this house.
Woohoo!
It smells so nice.
Wow.
Those are our candles?
That's
The
our candles. I love it.
All right, take it all in. First impressions.
What a difference.
It's incredible.
I love the contrast in here. The wood, the black, the white.
I love it.
Added is that fireplace.
I love the
Okay.
woman.
Yes, with the red, ugly brick. The hooks.
A door.
Couch.
Cute.
It's so cute. Yeah.
Perfect
right.
for kids.
Yeah.
I love it. I'm so happy with it.
That's
honey.
cute.
It's
The staging's super cute.
Oh, look at the roof too, kind of Spanish style.
All right, we'll go inside right now. You ready for your second flip?
Wow, I am ready.
Hey, snowboards. How fun.
This is a cute little
Ooh.
courtyard, huh?
Smell that?
I smell something, but what is that?
It's a dead animal.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah, I'm serious. You want me to go first? It's not stinky. Oh, the ceilings are low.
It's a nice staircase, though.
This isn't good for feng shui. The stairs with the money running out the door,
Is that a thing?
that's a thing.
This is not awful, right? It's actually kind of cute. I mean, obviously.
It needs to be completely
modernize
remodeled.
it, but it's pretty good size, opening up to the main room over here.
Well, this is nice. So we have a fireplace. All right, so there's a small laundry room back there, bar here. This actually would be cute as
Yeah.
redone as a bar.
I agree. This...
The backyard's funky.
Honey, ooh, don't fall in.
What if-
It's so gross.
Is it me or this thing is kind of cool, but it also kind of ruins the pool?
No, it's so cool. How fun would that be for little kids, like swim underneath?
Oh, this is kind of cool. So like,
Yeah, we could put a cool like light feature, little barbecue, and then a fire pit, make this a cute sitting area.
this stuff's... It actually looks like a Spanish-style house with the white paint, the red roof, the brown door, the new gate. It actually looks really, really good.
So good. You here?
I'm here. Oh, look at the deck. Oh, it looks so good.
What do you think?
Oh, this is awesome.
Hi.
Oh, hey, honey. This looks great, by the way.
Hi. Oh my God.
Doesn't this feel
right?
inviting?
Think of all that crap that was here before, and look how open it is now.
Looks so
it was
much
a
better.
mess.
Oh,
Look at
and-
look.
All the bricks gone?
I'm so happy we did the wood. I'm so happy we did the fire pit. Isn't it nice?
Come on, Buggy. You want to see the house?
Come on. Look.
Oh, it looks beautiful. It looks so different. I love this staircase. Whatever idea you had about curving this wall,
So much better.
look at this
right?
railing, too.
Do you love that we curved the fireplace?
Curving this firebox was actually the smartest thing we did here.
Woohoo!
All right, I like it. I mean, I've never curved a firebox in my entire
It
life.
was not expensive. They just had to replaster.
It looks amazing. Love it. Bonus room? Dang, it looks so good. And look at this.
Oh my God, honey, it looks so good the way it's set up.
This is way better than before. The room feels like twice the size in here. This is actually gonna really help sell the house, because whoever buys this house, there's a good chance they're gonna have kids, and this is like the kid zone.
Ooh, I like this.
Look around, what do you wanna do?
Ooh.
Glass railings, crystal chandeliers.
I know. Honey, I have some ideas.
You have some ideas?
I have some ideas, but I'm gonna finish looking around first.
Hey, hon, on this house, real quick, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 1968 square feet. We paid $860. The budget is $200, and we're hoping to sell it for $1,250,000.
I think we can push that budget and get more money. So rip out the carpet, all new flooring. The railing, I want to take that out and do like an iron railing.
Okay.
We should do like a wood, like something with this dope fireplace.
Okay.
So let's go in the kitchen.
Look at you. You're like the boss right now. I'm following you around.
I just feel like this kitchen is just, it's so ugly.
Ugly, and it's kind of small, to be honest.
And I feel like it's like very dark over in this corner, so I'd want to brighten it up. Yes.
This is real nice out here.
Okay, and then we have a covered patio. Like, how cool is that?
This could be really nice.
Yeah, I obviously clean up all back here, but it's cute, right?
No, this is great. I love this fireplace.
I mean, this is such a great feature that we have here.
Excited to see your very first solo flip?
So excited. Are you?
Yeah, I'm actually really excited. Honestly, I'm gonna say it, I'm glad we didn't paint the roof. I think it looks great.
Really? And obviously they cleaned it up. So we chose the paint colors based on keeping it red.
And I didn't even realize it's red with a little bit of gray in it. You see it's two-tone? That looks good.
Yeah, I made the right decision. Open.
Dang, look at this.
Oh my gosh. Honey.
It is so impressive right when you walk through the door. Is that a concrete fireplace?
Concrete-esque fireplace. So it's the look of concrete, but much more cost-effective.
I absolutely love it. Okay, so
Okay.
the concrete fireplace, this is killer.
So do you remember that door that was right here?
Yeah.
Close this off, added the accent wall.
Was it expensive or not too expensive?
Not too bad.
I'm telling you, before you walk into this house, it just screamed 80s. And now it feels new, it feels modern.
Like happy, right?
Happy.
Like happy vibe.
Honestly, buyers are gonna walk through this door, they're gonna see this view, and they're gonna flip. It's gorgeous.
So pretty. Wow.
Oh, dang, so you got all these cabinets. The kitchen's more than twice the size, because the kitchen used to end right here.
And remember, so we closed off this door, right?
Yeah.
We added this whole feature right here, and then we added this island.
Yeah, this was a great idea
Yeah.
right here. This whole pantry wall.
Look how much extra space it adds,
Yeah,
right?
it's good. Buyers are gonna love it.
Brand new primary, fully added new space. 1, 2, 3.
This is the same room.
It's so pretty. So do you remember this room? It was just like that dark wood den. It had those built-in bookshelves.
So you put the bathroom on that side?
Yes.
Wow, look how gorgeous. Oh, I gotta see this bathroom.
I'm so excited. Oh, the flooring.
Get those
came
lights
out.
on for me, girl. Impress me.
They're auto.
Wow, fancy.